How to use YouTube to drive traffic to your website. With over 2 billion active monthly users, YouTube can be a great tool to drive traffic to your website. YouTube offers multiple other serious SEO benefits, including ranking on Google search results page. Here are some of the ways you can optimize for YouTube SEO. Perform keyword research. YouTube keyword research is pretty simple and straightforward. One of the best ways to do YouTube keyword research is using the YouTube Suggest feature on the search bar. If you find an interesting result, you can run it on Google Trends. You can also use other keyword research tools such as Morning Fame, vidIQ, and TubeBuddy to find search terms that you can rank for on YouTube. Other areas that you can optimize to get more video views include thumbnails, titles, and descriptions. Create lead magnets. One of the biggest mistakes you can make when using YouTube is not giving your viewers an incentive to click your video over to your website. Lead magnets are offers you give your viewers in exchange for their contact information. This can be an ebook, a video course, or even just a PDF guide. Add a link to your website in the description. Include your website link in your description box. Ensure that it is visible and that there are no misspellings or typos. Use cards to drive traffic to your website. YouTube cards are a great way to drive traffic back to your website. They allow you to link text and images from other websites, appearing when someone is watching your videos. Engage with viewers in the comments. Engaging with your viewers reminds them that you are human and helps you build a rapport with your followers. Your viewers will feel appreciated and acknowledged when you reply to their comments. Final thoughts. YouTube can be a great way to drive traffic back to your website. Make sure that you optimize all the available elements on YouTube, such as videos, cards, and descriptions, for viewers to find their way back to your site. That just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.